the Davis sisters, and today we're gonna be, it's kind of like big slime versus mini slime, and we're gonna be using clay for the first time. That's not all the colors.
I will show you all the colors.
We have so much. Here is the tiny water and magical
water,
Water.
clay,
And we also have giant
big glue, big glue. Yes,
Flip the camera. Here is our giant glue wall. It's white glue.
It's slipping.
We're gonna be doing big glue, big slime versus little slime.
Yeah.
And we're gonna see.
We're gonna mix it with these tiny utensils,
And don't put.
and we also have an egg.
And don't put the whole thing, because then it'll be like a medium-sized slime. It wouldn't really be like a small slime. It's not going to be a mini slime, but it can be a mini slime if you want it.
Okay, so first,
It's not going to be
Let's get-
gigantic, though.
let's get right into it.
I'm going to get it first.
Wait, hold on.
I
I'm
want
gonna.
it first.
There's hearts all over this.
All over it,
Hold on.
because of my next slime. Thing. Okay, that's fine. I don't mind these hearts in my slime. Oh, my activator.
Okay.
I
I removed most
Now
of it.
you can do it first. Whatever.
Okay,
Just
I'll
put a little
help
bit.
you.
Remember though. It's easy though. My two.
Oh wow, this took out on me.
That's
Good thing we have a trash bag and my sis. We also have a
My
mat.
mat. Because we make messes. I want to pour in.
That's too much.
It's supposed to be too much.
But we
That's
only have
enough.
a little bit of activator.
That's enough.
Too much.
My
Why don't we
turn.
just
Just put medium sized
My
slime
turn.
versus small slime. Remember, put a little bit. Your cup is a little bit.
I know.
Oh, that's a lot. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. That's a little bit too
The
much.
cap on. It's not too much. It's like the usual
I'm watching Jetta.
Among Us area. Okay, so like always, we have to pour in the activator and then mix it up and then add the clay.
Yeah.
Mine I have to use a little. 'Cause
And then we're gonna choose
my
the
sister
clay.
will have to use probably the whole thing of clay.
I'm just gonna mix it first and see if it has a good texture because I don't want to waste a perfectly good clay. You know what I mean? I'm watching a mirror clay. It's called a Miron.
Guys, good thing I chose this because this has a more pointier end that makes it much better to mix. I'm not gonna mix it.
This is the Asian way to open slime.
I got it. Coronavirus. Trying to be that man now.
Jetta's it. They got hearts all over this thing. I do know. Yeah. Walk up and wait in. Can I see? Let me see.
Got raspberry.
did it. Hold on.
Poke it.
Poked it.
Here, take this.
No. Don't use that. That
Okay,
won't
we'll leave
work.
the excess.
Whatever. Scrap it.
No.
There.
Okay, pour in the activator. Come on now.
You're gonna need a lot. Just.
It's glittery.
Is this or is this even glue?
It's glitter. It's Elmo's.
Is it?
It's Elmo's magical liquid.
Okay, I'm gonna mix.
It said just add glue.
Ooh, it's
Oh.
mixing.
Way too much.
It's a little too much.
Yours needs it.
Yeah, you. I'm just gonna
Mine's
mix it.
turning.
Mix it. Mine's turning.
I'm blocking it. Tell me
I
if you
think I
need more.
need a little bit water.
I know, you just...
Where's our
basically
secret
saw how
ingredient? Where's
skinny
our
I am.
bubbles?
Oh my god. We are the most boringest.
I need some water.
It's mixing!
Why would you touch it?
Because I want to.
Here, wipe it on the thing. I need a tiny
Hold
bit
on.
of water, unless I want jiggly. I don't want jigglies.
Oh, I don't like jiggly.
Squish it. I need a tiny.
Oh wow, it worked. Kinda.
This is tiny slime.
I'm mixing real hard. I hope this turns.
Stop it. You need it. See?
Okay, it kind of worked.
Here's my slime.
Very watery. I need some.
More?
Yeah, a little bit.
Sure thing.
That wasn't a little bit.
Who cares?
Thank
It
you.
helps it.
Thank you.
Okay, mine's pretty hard. I'm gonna touch it. Okay, that texture is pretty good.
Taking a pencil that is not even a knife. I'm not allowed to use one. Apparently. Mother.
Mommy.
Yeah, mommy. My bad.
Okay, here's my white slime.
Milky milk. This looks like milk. This reminds me of milk.
It's so. Yours.
You put my utensil.
There.
How dare you? It's very sticky. I need a little bit more. Because if
Hold
you put a
on.
lot, then it probably won't even turn.
Wait.
It's going to turn into a hard... Just a hard...
It needs it.
Too much.
And there's a purple one. Mine's so tiny.
That's us playing Among Us.
Be like.
When we play Among Us together, if you guys want us to play Among Us together,
Oh my
make sure
God.
to comment though.
This is the best literal texture. Do you need
I
more?
need a little bit more. I said a little bit. Jonna!
You still have blue on the ground.
On the
I'm
ground.
helping you. Oh my god!
God.
Look at hers compared to mine.
Oh, Johnny, can you get the food
Bro,
coloring?
it's
Can
food
you
coloring. I can't believe it. We also have food coloring.
you get it, please? It's in the box. It's in the box.
I'm freaking out.
This reminds me of milk. This is really sticky, but I don't mind sticky.
Food
My whole
coloring.
family minds sticky.
We have food coloring. Here's proof.
Jonna, we don't care.
Do you need more?
A little.
I want to see.
Water?
Oh my god. I poured it all out. Don't say
What a suspicious name. I'm scared this is not going to turn out.
It's gonna
Ooh,
turn out.
What color should I do for this, guys? I'm thinking of a cotton candy cream.
Guys, look at hers compared to mine.
Mine is so much better, guys. Why if you like, comment if you think mine is better.
But my texture is literally the best.
No, it's
not. Fine, maybe your texture, but mine is like,
Steal some.
mine is, no! You better not have stole mine.
I did.
Because if you make like a medium size, then you lose. Because you're supposed to make a big.
No, I can make a medium. Okay, that is tiny.
That is not tiny. That's like small-ish. So guys, I love my texture. Let's go add food coloring.
No, food coloring is gonna like change the color.
Yeah.
Do you want to? Yeah, but we're supposed to add clay.
Yeah. Change.
Change it up.
Yeah.
Sure. No, yours needs more.
Hold on, I want to
A
move all
slightly
these. I don't
more.
want them to see the caps of it.
Watch out.
But mine needs a slight, just a slight.
The dark.
It just
Look.
squeezes.
Yeah, that was a little better. Yours is too sticky. So.
You're mean.
Mine's the best. It's
I
not
like
sticky.
I don't
It's
mind
not
sticky.
okay. Mine is literally the best. It's not sticky. It's stretchy.
Yeah, but I love mine.
Mine's
I don't
not
mind
technically
mine.
sticky.
I don't mind.
And like
mine.
it's super stretchy.
Well, mine is like.
Okay, guys, we're gonna
milky.
add food coloring now.
I don't want to. I like my texture.
We can retouch it.
Yeah, of course. I don't even want to add clay. It's just gonna turn it.
No, I put hearts in. And mix yours with mine.
Oh, you just took it. It's not even medium
No,
size
we're not
anymore.
doing that tiny slime because we never planned on it. We just did it because we realized mine is short, yours is a
Now
lot.
we realize we have food coloring in clay. I just threw it.
Be careful for these hearts. They're dangerous.
I want to move all of these and show your slime.
We can't see our heads.
I don't want to see your heads.
Yes, our mom straightened her hair. The best mom.
Oh, my hair.
Okay.
It's so. It's like.
best.
Why does it remind me of milk?
No, this is literally the best.
No, this is the best.
Best slime
Guys,
we've ever made.
Guys, okay. Comment whose slime would you rather touch? Gigi's apparently stretchable slime, or my milky, pokey, or my pokey, what is it called again? My pokey, I don't know. It's like that slime. You know,
Okay, guys, let's get
slime.
on to food coloring.
I don't know what color. I
Me
want to leave it
either.
like this. It's not gonna remind me of milk anymore.
Oh, there's lemon,
This is orange.
grape,
Kiwi.
strawberry.
Should I turn
I'm
it to
gonna
yellow? I'm
do-
thinking yellow.
Wait, I'm thinking pink.
I'm thinking yellow. I don't know.
Mama,
I'm thinking.
I'm
thinking yellow.
I'm thinking
I'm
pink, strawberry.
I'm just gonna add it.
I'm gonna add the tiny straws. You need a little bit of a lot. That's pretty good for you. I need to focus. Way too
I want it
much.
to be like a light yellow.
Just kidding. That's
Oh, it turned yellow. But I don't want it to be. Guys, it's pretty.
ugly. Ask me like.
Oh my god. That's us putting it on. Oh my gosh, what is that? It was you. I have
Mine's not really pink.
I have yellow in my hand, but I think it's worth it. Turn it to a baby yellow.
Yeah, but you need more. I can barely see it.
I just added the tiniest drop, so you can barely see it. If you get a closer look, you can see it's yellow. But
You cannot see the pink.
I'm adding. It's like a baby pink. I can't see
Yeah,
it.
but I'm adding more.
I like my slime, guys.
You need more yellow.
This is the best slime I ever
You need
made.
more yellow.
This is the best slime I ever made on
Me too.
camera. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Okay. Stop it. Is that too much, probably? No, that's it. Place it in. What?
It's the mat, John. It's a mat. We can wash it. No, we don't have to wash it. Just,
Wait, this is actually pretty good.
just get some. Oh no. Did you know food coloring kind of sticky slime?
Yeah, that's good for mine because it's not the best.
It's definitely not the best.
I added probably too much.
But milky. It's not milky anymore. It's yellowy, but it reminds me of milk still. Why? But I love it. It jiggles. I don't want to add clay. Please.
Oh my god, best combo.
Same color. Really.
I'm gonna show it.
It's wait. Okay, now I just got it. Okay, pokey. Here you go.
I'm gonna show this. I'm gonna add a slight bit of watermelon.
I'm gonna
Spice
add
it up.
maybe just a little bit of clay. Maybe just a little bit. I like
OMG, that is way too much. Way too much. Way too much, guys.
my slime is perfect. I don't.
I got food coloring on myself. I put way too much of it. Okay, whatever. I can just wash my hands. My slime, you can't even do it.
Jada's it again.
Wait, that's not
This is
so
the
bad.
best texture. I like my milky texture. Jada, I almost squeezed too much because of you.
Is this good? You just yeeted it.
I don't need you anymore.
You can't see it on camera. No, you need more.
No, I don't. I want it to be a very light color. What's wrong with you?
Mix it in.
I want it to keep it this color.
I don't know. Look, I showed mine. Look, this is so cute. I'm gonna add a tiny bit of clay. Ew.
Mine is so
This
pokey.
clay is really
Let me see.
approximately hard.
Let me see your slime. Let me see your texture.
Not the best.
Not the best. A little hard.
Hard?
I can it's like the size of my palm.
You want
This
it tiny?
is like
Okay.
wow. I love
I
it.
added the clay. Little one.
You could definitely just like.
I'm
Vote
done with
mine.
this challenge, and I'm
So
putting.
guys, okay, get a close up of it and show.
No,
them.
I'm adding a tiny bit more glue. Because you said
Mommy,
it's
look at my baby slime.
way too much glue.
Way too much. No.
No.
I'm afraid you ruined your slime, my dear. Ew, I have a double chin. I want to add clay, but then I don't want to add clay. I would make a second slime, but then I don't want it. Okay, guys. So apparently, everybody put in chat, rest in peace, Gianna's slime. I think it's ruined.
Not
You ruined it.
I fixed it.
It's her and Paul.
Move, I need this mat, because yours is less stickier than the garbage bag. Switch sides.
No!
No, me!
Your texture.
Huh?
I don't like it. Your texture.
That in the carpet.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay, guys. If you think mine won,
Okay, that made it better.
look how pretty mine is. Who wouldn't vote mine pretty slime? It's so pretty. It's yellow color. And it's so pretty. So milky.
I made
am
mine a
brought back
little
the milk.
stickier.
Okay, guys. So show your slime right now.
I'm not ready.
This is my medium, normal, the exact same size of my hand if I spread it out like this. It
You know what
covers my
glue can
hand.
make, you guys? Incredible masterpieces. Like this one.
Like this.
This.
Yeah. Sure. So who do you think won, guys?
No, I'm not done.
I'm just
adding
gonna
the
ruin it.
tiniest.
I just love doing that to slime. So guys, I honestly think mine should win. Yeah.
I'm gonna stop you right there. Yeah, I said that.
Okay guys, that's the end of today's video.
Make sure to like and subscribe and post notifications. You want to
so
talk about the video? Let's redo it again. That's the end of today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe and post notifications so you won't miss out on other videos. That was a good one. Sign smash. No, I'll do it, but no, it'll be like that, and then I'll just be covering
Ooh,
it
it'll
with
be
my
like a
hand.
banana and strawberry.
Yeah, ready? 3, 2, 1.
It's like
No, do it actually.
No, I'm not
I'm putting it like this. Look, it won't stick.
no.
'Cause I put the palm. Okay, ready? Set. 3, 2, 1. Bye, guys.
Mine's better.
No.
No.